Hi guys, today I'm super excited to show you what I got for fall's Pusheen box. So if you want to see all the items inside this box, stay tuned. The first thing we got was this pink Pusheen hand towel. The second item was this super cute pink loofah, and it has Pusheen charm, and you could definitely reuse the charm when it's time to replace this loofah, or you could also use it like a keychain or just add it to your new loofah. The third item was the Lacy Pusheen vinyl figure, and all of these items are exclusive to the Pusheen box, so you can't find it anywhere else unless you subscribe to the box. For those who don't know, the Pusheen box is a seasonal subscription, so you get it every 3 months and for every season. Sometimes the box are themed around the season and sometimes they're not, like in this case. The fourth item we received was this adorable Pusheen stress ball. The fifth item we received was this adorable Pusheen soap dispenser, and if you don't want to use it for soap, you could definitely use it for lotion as well. The sixth item was this toothbrush, and it comes with a Pusheen cover. This toothbrush and its Pusheen holder makes it perfect for traveling. It also has a little suction cup in the back so you can put it in the mirror of your bathroom. The seventh item was this super cute Pusheen plush, and we have Pusheen in this really soft bathrobe. And the last item in this box was this super comfortable and soft Pusheen bathrobe. So this fall 2018 box was themed around a lazy day. We got a Pusheen bathrobe, a toothbrush, a loofah, a stress ball, a Pusheen plush, a hand towel, a soap dispenser, and the Lacy Pusheen vinyl figure. So this concludes my Pusheen unboxing. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite items. I think my favorite one has to be, the bathrobe. It's just super soft and comfortable. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I shall see you in my next one.